Say it ain't so. Now, David Goggins? David Goggins? A deadbeat dad? This dude has to defend himself. He's one of the most toughest men around. Stay hard. But yet now his daughter is coming out saying he's a deadbeat dad? Y'all know the Iron Father got to talk about this one. Let's get right on into it. Welcome, everybody. It is Dev of the Iron Father, where we are all about helping men recalibrate, restore, and thrive, whether they're going through a divorce or whether they're post-divorce life. And today is one that I got to talk to you all about. I have to do a show on this one, David Goggins. Now, full disclosure, not like I'm related to the guy or nothing, but I am a huge David Goggins fan. Goggins is one over the years. I just got a lot of motivation from him. And as a former chubby fat kid myself growing up, to hear about his plight, and for those of you who may not know who David Goggins is, David Goggins was an overweight guy. And as a black dude, he was told that, okay, you can't be a Navy SEAL. There have only been so many Navy SEALs that have been black. And not only that, you're overweight. And this man just became a stinking physical specimen machine. And when you look at his physique, especially for his gym rats, you look at him and be like, dude ain't that big. Until, you know, he says things like he ran 100 miles and then the next day did a marathon. I mean, this guy has just pushed his body to the brink. But in this video, we're going to break down, you know what oftentimes pushes men to the real brink? It is the relationship with the mother and their children.
Well, there also look at the fact that this woman, my ex-wife, filed for divorce from her husband after she got all this fucking money.
Woo! In the words of Busta Rhymes, row, row, like a Dungeon Dragon. Wow. You know who I want to hear from? Hey, ex-husband of David Goggins' ex-wife, hit up the Iron Father show. I love to talk to you. Okay, at the very least, make your own video. Brother, how you feeling? Are you okay? Hey, man, go to joinironfather@gmail.com. Man, let me help you, bro. Let me help you. Go to the Calendly link down in the description. I can help you because, man, I want to hear from you. Because what does that say about her that she gets the payout from, we'll just say her baby daddy, David Goggins? She gets the payout and then she dips in her marriage? The game is cold, fellas. The game is cold.
Anyway, don't get me fucking started. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. I don't want tit for tat. I want facts. Mom, you got anything? I'm just fucking pissed the fuck off right now. I'm shaking as shit.
Wow.
Okay. Is this okay? I'm not going to take up a lot of your time because I'm also pissed off. I don't even want to be up here. And that's the honest God truth. But I have to tell you, somebody told me about the video. I don't have TikTok, didn't have TikTok, didn't even know how to get TikTok, but I kept hearing about this video. So I asked somebody to help me get an account. I suppose that's what it is. And I had to respond because David's been called a lot of things, a lot of unkind things. Some of them are true. I even agree with some of them. But I could not and did not agree with the bullshit about deadbeat dad and absent dad.
Ooh, mama got a little potty mouth on her. No wonder that's where David gets it from.
I couldn't let it go. So I'm going to try to hold this together, and I just have to tell you, I did respond. I responded, and I put my little TikTok stuff out there. And I had to tell the truth about conversations that I had as a grandmother with my granddaughter about her dad. How she never called him dad